Hi, this is Mrs. Wiley. Today we're going to talk about what's in your head. We've all been stuck at home for a while, so we're kind of wondering what's going on inside your head. We're going to make a self-portrait of ourselves. That's a picture of us. But we're going to do it with a twist. We're going to open our head up and decide what we're putting in there. What are you thinking about? So I'm going to show you the steps how to do this. I sped up my video, so I am moving faster than what I would be in real life. Here you can see I'm drawing myself out. I'm using a sketchbook because I have it, but if not, any piece of paper, you could even use cardboard, anything that you could draw on. So I'm just using a pencil and I'm drawing myself out. And then I'm going back, I'm erasing the parts I don't need. I draw light until I get it right. So then I start coloring. Here you can see I'm using a colored pencil to color my skin. Notice I kind of use my finger as a guide so I don't accidentally go into areas I don't want to color. I color in all in the same direction. And I go back and do a little bit of shading. Kind of hard to see there. There we go. A little bit of shading around the spots I think I need it. You don't have to do that at all. And then I'm using what I have at home to color with. So I have highlighters. My eyes are blue. So I thought, well, that's kind of bluish, close to my eyes. So we'll use that for my eye color. And I have a little bit of green in my eyes. So I went back with a green color pencil. There's my bin of mismatched random crayons and markers at home. I use black for the center of my eyes. And then this is a big fat crayon. It's my daughter's, she's only 2. So I use one of those big fat brown crayons to color my head. Notice I'm turning my page. I turn it because I think it's easier for me when I'm coloring to move my page the way that I want it. Your paper does not have to stay in the same direction while you color. So here I went back over top of my brown with brown colored pencil. I wanted my hair to look like strands of hair. Then I added some like an orangish red color because my hair has a little bit of red in it. Then I went back over with a darker brown. I thought, how many colors could I use to make my hair look more realistic than just using one brown crayon? So then I took my brown marker and I did it on top to make it even darker. And I'm doing the exact same thing pretty much over and over again with different colors until I come out with a hair color that I like. That's your choice. You don't have to do that. And then I added my eyebrows. Still using the same marker for that. I chose a colored pencil for my lips. My lips are super pale, so I tried to find a light pink. And then I colored my shirt with a neon pink highlighter. That super bright pink is my favorite color. Notice I'm going in and coloring around part of my hair to fill in behind my hair there with my shirt. And I'm just going in lines until I colored all of my shirt in. And then I outline everything in black. You don't have to do that. There's my little eyelashes and even my bottom eyelashes. We all have those. But I really like to outline in black. It just makes everything stand out really bright. Tracing my neck and my shirt. So there I am. I'm pretty much all done. And I'm going to add some blush to my cheeks. My cheeks are pretty pink. So next, I'm going to cut out my self-portrait, going all around. And if you have an open space like I do, I use my scissors and cut that out. You might need that help from an adult. You could say use the loose tooth method. So I cut up one side of a triangle, up the other side of a triangle, and I yank my loose tooth to get it out. Then I'm going to glue my little head down. But I found a piece of scrapbook paper, but if you don't have that, you can use any kind of paper. I cut a line across the top of my head, cut it, and then I glued the bottom of myself on, and then I'm going to decide where do I want the top of my head. You can see I was like kind of deciding there. It's okay if it goes off the end of the paper. It's fine. Mine does too. I didn't even glue myself right in the middle either. I did off to the side. So then I'm going to find words or pictures that I would like to be thinking about. So I'm always thinking about breakfast food because it's my favorite. So I had a cinnamon French toast box from home. I found this little fork in one of the little flyers that came in the mail. So I just started cutting out some things I had around. Here's the little flyer in the mail for a grocery store. I found a whole bunch of donuts. Totally my favorite. I cut those out. Notice I cut out a bunch of things first. Oh, I found a kitty and a doggy. Super cute. I love my cat and dog. And I cut them out first and then decided to arrange them down. I like to do that first, cut out a bunch. I couldn't find some words I wanted, like art, so I drew them myself and then I cut them out. So here I get love and family, because that's really important to me too. You could do any words. You could do the name of your family members, something that you're super passionate about. And I started arranging them. What am I thinking about? So I wanted my thoughts to be all over my paper so I could fill my space, not just popping out of the top of my head. So I started gluing them around wherever I wanted them. Notice how some of the smaller things you might have to touch to the top of the glue bottle. Make sure you get the glue stick, sorry, you get the glue everywhere. So I've got those all glued down. And I thought, gosh, this looks great, but it wasn't full enough. So I kept going. I wrote out more words. I found more pictures. I went and found a ton of stickers I didn't know I had. So I added some stickers. Then in my yellow background, I thought, you know what? I think I can dress this up even more. So I used a black marker and I started writing words. I wrote my name and then things I thought about myself. Trustworthy and loyal and loving and fun, that I like to experiment, that I'm goofy, that I want to keep going, that I persist in my artwork, that I'm kind and caring, that I'm a mom. All these extra things I could do. Now, you wouldn't have to do this, but I sometimes have a hard time stopping with my artwork, and I like to keep going and persisting. So that's why I have all these crazy thoughts coming out of my head. I hope you found this kind of fun to watch, and I hope you try this yourself. Remember, yours doesn't have to look like mine. Make it exciting. Have a good day.